How to turn off TikTok restricted mode. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off TikTok restricted mode. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, just select settings and privacy. And now here, once you're inside the settings and privacy, you simply have to scroll down and tap on content preferences. And now here you can just tap on restricted mode, and now in this section you'll see the option labeled as turn off, so just tap on it. And now here from the pop-up menu, just select the reason for turning off the restricted mode, and you can just tap on submit. And once you do that, the restricted mode will be turned off. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.